Um, Leon Bailey fit and ready for Gold Cup. All right, this was published yesterday. Jamaica and Bayer Leverkusen star Leon Bailey has fully recovered from his broken toe and said he is looking forward to the upcoming Gold Cup tournament in the United States and World Cup qualification matches. Right?
That sounds good.
Yeah, man. Bailey picked up an injury in May while playing in the Bundesliga match for his German club. The 23-year-old, Leon still only 23, bro.
Yeah.
Jeez. The 23-year-old is currently in the island on vacation and has been working out with Craig Butler and the Phoenix Academy at the Captain Horace Burrell Center of Excellence over the last week and has shown no sign of his injury. You know what I mean? Better worry, Gold Cup. The boss is coming. All right. The player confirmed with the Star Sports that he is back to full fitness and looking forward to the upcoming international agenda. This is a quote now. As it said, as it relates to my toe, it is fully healed now. I have resumed peak preparation training with my dad and personal trainer Craig Butler and the Phoenix Academy players, he said. He said, I'm excited. I want to thank the Jamaica Football Federation for allowing me to utilize their facilities, you know what I mean, in preparation. And I'm excited for the upcoming fixtures for the Gold Cup and the World Cup qualifiers. This is good news.
Definitely.
You know what I mean? Definitely, because it was a concern of mine how his recovery was going. Now, the only person I want to hear from now is Daniel Johnson. We know Daniel Johnson was somewhat recovered, but was being there by his coach, saved for the following season. So that is one person now that we know would definitely be on the list.
That was something interesting.
So good news.
That whole Daniel James
Johnson,
sorry, coach holding him up. I'm wondering if Leverkusen wouldn't even be concerned about Leon. You know, you just get him back and then when you push him into international duty.
Well, yeah, they would be concerned, but it is an international window, so they can be concerned, but I don't think there's much they can do if the player is fit and able to represent his country. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's definitely good news for the fans. I'm sure everybody is anticipating this.
Yeah.
Anticipating seeing him now in action.
Yeah.
And some people definitely everybody would feel more confident with him being in the side. So
yeah, most definitely. So we'll look forward to the announcement of the squad. And we'll definitely be back to express our opinion on that. All right. Thanks, guys. Like and subscribe.